Hey everybody, Resto-Rob here. It's a answer to Scoutcrafter's question, how many screwdrivers you got? Well, I laid out my screwdrivers to kind of see what I've got. This isn't counting the stuff I have at work or what I have in the truck. It's starting to get late. Uh, you might be able to hear some of the owls in the background. But let's take a quick look at my screwdrivers and let's see if we can get a count. So sit back, relax, and check this out. Okay, so I'm holding this in my hand, so if it's a little shaky, I'm sorry. Here are the wood screwdrivers. You can see the two Mac. Thank you, Dale, for the Mac. Here are the shorter ones. There's a pokey thing and an ice pick. Here are perfect handles. This one on the right is a Chinese one. But here are the wood-handled screwdrivers I have. Here are the ones I've restored. That one right there, I made the handle for. So let's get over here. These are the Weehaw. My little Torx bit and all kinds of other screwdrivers. Moving on over, there's a nesting screwdriver. Got some more Torx, different brands, nut drivers. Yep, there's my OEM. Here's some Milwaukee insulated. Over here is my vintage push drill screwdrivers, some more nut drivers, the vessel screwdriver. Scoutcrafter said we needed. There's the claw, a variety of spin tight, some stubbies, here are some Husky metric and Craftsman standard. Got another variety of screwdrivers over here, some Snap-on Craftsman, some multi-bit, the original 4-in-1s. Here's some SK. Here are some nut driver spinners. Proto, Stanley, a Husky, big Husky. Here's my Kleins, one I haven't even opened yet. Tecton. These are Mastercraft Canadian, thanks to Dano. That's a little dollar store thing that Craftsman told us about. Here's some ratcheting screwdrivers. Some more. This is a Crescent, little pocket handy dandy screwdriver. Some advertising screwdrivers. Kind of a Torxy bit. Let's get over here. Here are the Exolite, nut driver, screwdrivers. Then my collection of nesting parts. Over here is Vaco. Got some Mac. Got the twisted, the spiral. My screw holding screwdrivers. Here's some Fuller and my other stubbies. My collection of Ace screwdrivers. Ace hardware. Oh yeah, there's the Bonnie. This is my collection of Bonnie screwdrivers. Different configurations, nut drivers. And then I got more in that box. Let's take a quick look. So in this box, Mac, some more quick wedges. Got this vintage insulated electricians. Got one of these things. Another Mac. Another vintage electricians. Another vintage electricians. I don't know what that says. Another quick wedge. This is a Mac dent pokey thing. We've got our, what is it, 7/32 Liebert wrench for Liebert crack units. Got a couple of vintage snap-ons. Another snap-on. There. A PNC. These little multi-bit little doodads. Got ourselves a Miller Falls. The big boy. I think it's a big boy. This one's the big boy. There you go. See, big boy. A couple of those. Pry bar. Miller's Falls. No. I believe that's a Miller's Falls. Yep. Stanley. Vermont American, the Claw. A big ass Stanley. And this one is a big ass Pratt Reed. And finally a Handyman. Oh no, it's a Casey. Looks like a Handyman. So that's my screwdrivers. Well, folks, that was my Scoutcrafter challenge. Not really a challenge. How many screwdrivers you got? So there you have it. I have a lot. So we'll go with that. If you guys wanted to count, more power to you. It started getting cold and dark, and so I got tired. And now I'm cleaning up and sitting in I'm in the shed by the heater. So till next time, stay safe and we'll check you later.